Hello my friends, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sheree and my channel is Turquoise Dreaming. This is actually hashtag Thrifty Thursday, which is an open collab hosted by me, and if you'd like to participate, you are welcome to participate. Just use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday in your title, link my channel, subscribe to my channel, and you are good to go. I am sharing today a Tuesday morning haul. So, yeah, my Tuesday mornings have been a little crazy. So I had two Tuesday mornings all for a very long time, ever since I moved to North Carolina, I guess. And recently, they've been closing here and there. And so I had got a message couple months ago that mine were closing, right? So I went and checked them out, both of them out, got a few things. As far as I know, one of them did close, and the other one said, "Oh, we're staying open." So I'm like, okay. So I went back and got a couple more things. And then this week I got another another email that said, "Oh, and now we're closing. The store is closing for good." Okay, well, I thought, well, I guess I better go one more time just to see, because I had gone and picked out like everything that I liked, and left behind the things I didn't really like. I just didn't buy it because they were going out of business or whatever. So this time when I went back again, everything was 10% off, just like the last couple of times. So, but the prices did go up. Like the ephemera packs were $2.99, and now they're $3.29. All these were $3.29, but at least I did get the 10% off. So I was going to show you what I got, and I think it really is closing this time. It was really sparse in the craft department. There was only a few paper pads left, and there was a bunch, about 5 of the same kind that I didn't like, really, so I didn't get that. But I just got a couple of these that I did like, and I'm going to show you just a second. Let me see. So I've got also, there's quite a few ephemera packs too that I got, but I didn't like. There was a couple I didn't like. See, I got a bunch of these. Let's see what I did get. But I got the ones I did like. Okay, so I'm trying to see if I have doubles of any. What I have doubles of. So these are Paige Evans. So yeah, yep. Okay. So these two are the same. I'm going to show you just a second. Let me kind of sort them out here. And I have been using these ephemera packs quite a bit, decorating notebooks, making tags, things like that. I'm trying to use my scrapbook paper since I've bought quite a few paper pads lately. I'm trying to really use those and do what I'm going to do with them, as far as if I'm dyeing the back of them because they're white or whatever. But I did get this paper pad here. This was the only one they had. These two here, they were down to pretty much almost nothing that I would want. You know what I mean? So they had this paper pad. This was the only two they had. And then they had, like I said, 5 or 6 others of one I didn't like. And that was it. There was no more. I think there was some smaller ones, but they were like, see, these are $7.49. Mine is 10%, right? So that's a good price. But they had some smaller ones. I think they were the 3 by or 6 by 6 or something like that. But they were like, I'm trying to think, they were like $4.99. So just say $5, and this was only $7.49 for 12 by 12, and you get let's see how many are in here, 48 sheets. So I was like, well, that's a no. To me, that was a no-brainer. I got the 12 by 12 and left behind the 6 by 6. But I thought these were really gorgeous. I mean, you can see the cover. It's called Antique Garden. It's by K and Company. I don't think I have this one already, but if I do, I wouldn't really even mind because it's so gorgeous. I mean, dragonflies, flowers. But let's look at the inside real quick. So yeah, I got 2 of these. Two. Yeah, these are the same. Okay, so let's just do a quick little flip through, see what these are all about. Yeah, these are really pretty. Of course, they're one-sided. They are cardstock, and I think what a lot of these do is they have how some of them have like 2 or 3 the same in a row. So they have all the duplicates together, and some of them go to a certain point where they start over. So we started with, let's see what we started with to make sure we don't go, we started with this kind of yellow-orange kind of flowery page. So let's see what we have here. Of course, gorgeousness. Look at that. Isn't, I mean, it was so beautiful when I saw it in the store. I was like, I didn't mind getting 2 of them. And actually, I actually made 2 trips. So, just to make sure, you know, before they closed, of what was left. So, these are cute. I can cut these out. Look at the little tags here. I think you can see everything, can't you? Yeah, I think you can. It's kind of hard to get a 12. There's little postage stamps over here. But yeah, it's kind of hard to get a 12 by 12 in this green here. But, oh my goodness, look at that. So pretty, right? I love color. I love vintage and grungy, and I love color too. I like the lines on that. And so, yeah, I kind of like it all. Okay, so that's not yellow-orange. It's kind of leafy like that yellow-orange one. Oh, look at the birds. We have not had a repeat yet. Do these not have a repeat? Wow, that's impressive if they don't. But it has not started over. More birds. Those are gorgeous. It's not looking familiar, so I don't think I have this one. I don't know. I could be wrong, but because I have a lot of scrapbook paper these days. But oh, look at the bees. I like that. Now this one does look familiar. So I might. I don't know. But I did look at this already too. So look at that. I love that because it looks like it's hand drawn. You know what I mean? It's not perfectly straight lines or stripes. It's kind of like, you know, like handmade. Look, the handmade look. The butterflies. So pretty. So that did not repeat. I can't believe that a paper pad has all, you know, different. You don't see that too often. So I'm trying to keep the ephemera together that's alike. And I'm not going to take all the ephemera out. Right now I'm just going to show you what I got, and then I'll just say stay tuned. Yeah, so these are the same. See? Yeah, the same. Yes, definitely the same. Okay, so where did I get these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 different ones, it looks like. And I'll make sure right now. So there's only one by Pebbles. And if you can see, I don't want to show you the glare. I don't want you to have to deal with the glare. But these all come with the, let's see, this one has 40. Yeah, these all had 40. So yeah, there was quite a few packs I left behind of a different type that I didn't like on the ephemera also. But I figured, you know, that was probably the last time. I don't think they're going to give me another email that says, oh, we're staying open, like they've been going back and forth, you know. I think this is really it this time. So I wanted to just go ahead and take advantage of the prices with the 10% off. I felt like it was a decent deal because, like, just even the $3.29, it went up from $2.99. But with, just say, 30 cents off, say, just to round it down to $3, you know, so 30, you know, 10% of $3 is 30 cents. So basically it brought it back down to the previous price, which was fine with me. I thought $2.99 was a good price, you know. So, yeah, you get a lot in here, 40 pieces. I feel like I've been using these. I already have a couple that I've been using, and I really have been enjoying them. So I think they really come in handy. And then, so this one's called Little Adventurer. It's by Pink Paisley. And from what I can see, they all have 40 pieces, but let's see what's in here. I know it's hard for you to see, but look, see here's, well, this says travel on it. Should we open one? I kind of want to open this one because I know I don't have this one. I've never had this one before. So let's just, there's some interesting looking pieces here. There's a unicorn for one thing. And I'm not really into unicorns. I know a lot of people are, but it's not really my thing. Not that I'm not going to use this unicorn, though. This is really cute. So let's just see what's in this one, because this looks different. So we've got a hot air balloon, a ship, young souls run wild and free, a pretty, oh, this is like the solar system on a tag. It says date right there. That is super pretty. and a horse and buggy. So yeah, see what I mean about different? I was like seeing really kind of different things in here. This is a pretty frame and has gold glitter around the inside there. Another frame. A ticket. What is this called? Does it have a theme? Little adventurer. So maybe like travel, but old time travel back in the horse and buggy days. Here's a little map. That is adorable, isn't it? These can be inspiring too, to see like, you know, this is really cute. Maybe I could make something like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, these little ephemera packs can be inspiring to help you get ideas on things you might want to make. An xylophone ticket, like a torn ticket, like it was torn in half. I don't know if it's the other half of that one, but see how it looks like it's torn? That's very cool, and an idea, kind of an inspiring thing. You can make a ticket, or if you have some tickets that are whole, you know, tear pieces off and just use it like that. And this is a brand new in an ephemera pack. Little one, tiny little one. This says milestones in glitter, gold glitter. The unicorn I was seeing, little, it looks like a luggage tag. I think that's really pretty. I love luggage tags. And the hot air balloon there. And in this little front cellophane envelope, we have all the smaller pieces. So let's put that over there so we don't get them mixed up. And see if we can get this one open. Yeah, I like how they do that. They divide up in all of these packs that I got. If I can get it open. Like the bigger pieces in the underneath pack and the smaller pieces in the top pack. So here's a little pig, pink pig, a crown, some little flowers. I mean, these little pieces really do come in handy. I usually end up using the little pieces before the big pieces. But a little gold star, some flowers, a whale here. Is that a whale? And a little raccoon, pink cat raccoon, a lion head. What is this, a book? Cute. Traveler's Field Guide. Isn't that adorable? Some flowers, a ticket, a bigger gold star, not big, but bigger than that one I just showed you. Hot air balloon, a moon, a flower, stack of books, cute, a little kitty cat, flowers, a cloud, raining gold raindrops, and a world or globe. Okay, cute. So we can't really open anymore. We shouldn't, right? So let me just show you. So this one I got, this is the only one of this one, I believe. This is Paige Evans, 40 embellishment pieces, Bungalow Lane. So you can kind of see what is in here. Let me hold it up and let it focus. You can see tags, a little heart, little chair, little like drawing cards, a little leaf, just, it looks like a ticket there. So, a little dog, like a dog. And a little dog there, a cup, coffee cup. So cute, right? Okay, let's look at this one. I have a paper clip on this one. I guess maybe I opened this one and looked at it already. I'm not sure if it came like that or I opened it up already. I don't remember now. But this is KC and Company. It's called Antique. So it actually is from the same, paper as this. It goes with this. It matches or whatever. Same paper line, as they say. So let's see. That one was Pebbles, right? No. I already showed you Pebbles. Okay, that's what it is. I put that over there. Okay, but this is same paper line as the paper packs I got. And there's, let's see, there's 40 pieces. Let me show you in the back. Get this paper clip over. So we've got just little, I know they're small, but it'll take forever if I take all the pieces out of all these little ephemera packs. But lots of flowery, there's tags and little labels. And looks like drilling cards. There's a birdhouse. Lots of flowers and birds and butterflies and things here to match the paper. the word. There's a word there. It looks like happiness. Hello and lovely. Dragonfly. There, I see a dragonfly. Okay, so then these, and so these are also Paige Evans, which we have another page. We have another Paige Evans right here with the heart and the chair and everything I showed you. But this is a different. Oh no, this is the same one. Yeah, because it has this apple here. They all have this little apple that says simple things. So actually, I got 3 of those. Okay, and then I got 3 of these, which is another page, different Paige Evans. And it has 40 pieces. Let me show you the back of this one. Cute, right? Look at that bee with the flowery wings. And then here's the bigger pieces down here. Handmade with love. So cute. But here's the back. So we've got a bunch of labels, which I like those. I've got those in one of the other paper packs. Or ephemera packs that I have now, different colors and, you know, different line or whatever, but they're fun to cut apart and use. I've used a lot of those. There's a camera. I like these little kind of divider cards that they put in here too. I've used those as pockets and tuck spots even, and journaling cards. There's tags in here and hearts, little arrows, some words. So I think you get the picture and why I brought these home. So I will definitely be using these. So stay tuned to see how I use these. And hopefully I'm going to put this, I think, with the paper pack here. Maybe with this paper clip on it. At least one of these. And so I remember that I have this that matches this paper line. So maybe I'll just paper clip it right on here and put it in with my paper. And I'll know, yes, use these together. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed what might be my last, it's probably going to be my last haul from Tuesday morning since the second one now is closing and I won't have one around here anymore. But it definitely will be if in my travels, like when I go down to Florida, if I happen to find one, or on my way down to Florida, if I happen to find one along my my path, I will maybe stopping in if there's still one open somewhere. So anyway, thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed my last Tuesday morning haul, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.